Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is maximum value of a string and an array. So let's start this to solve this question guys. This question we'll be solving with the help of Python. The value of an alphanumeric string can be defined as a numeric representation of the string in 10 base 10 if it comprises of digits only, the length of the string otherwise. So let me explain it to you this question very carefully, so just make sure that you understand it thoroughly. So what we have to do in this question is that we will be given an array of strs. There are some certain amounts of elements in an array which comprises of either alphanumeric or numeric values. So see, this is alphanumeric, which consists of alphabets and numeric value. However, they are in the string forms. This is also in a string, this is also in a string, this is also in a string, this is also a string, and this is also a string. But you can see that this is an integer value, this is a number, and this is number, this is also number, and this is also number. But this is a string, and this is also alphanumeric. So it consists of numeric and alphabetic values. So it means that it is a alphanumeric values. So what we have to do here is that first of all we have to check if either the values like this, the numeric representation of the string in decimal, if it comprises of digits only. If it is only consists of digits only, then we have to return that value in an integer form, else we have to return it the values in their length. If there is a alphanumeric value, then we have to return its length, meaning that we have to just put this in the length form, and while this should be in integer form, so it will be 0. And as we consider it as a alphanumeric, we will consider it as a length, so it will be 5. That's why we have written a 5 value. You can see that ALIC3 consists of both a letter and digits, so its value is its length is 5. Bob consists of only of letters, so its values is also its length, that is 3. So Bob is also 3, but that is less than 5, and 3 consists of only of digits, so its value is numeric equivalent, that is 3. So since this is a number, however it's in a string form, but it should be considered as a number, so it is 3, and still it is less than this length of this. So either we have to check if the length of the alphanumeric value, or we have to check for this number, whichever the maximum value, we have to return that value. So let's start the coding, and while coding you will understand in a better way. So first of all I will create a count variable here. Let count is equals to 0, and I will create an empty array in which I will be just pushing those values which follows the rule I am just creating here. So first of all I will be creating a for let I is for I in range strs len strs, and then I will just say if strsi dot is lnum, means if it is alphanumeric, then and if it is alphanumeric and it should not be a number, so then for that I will just say that not strs I is numeric. Okay, so let me tell it to you what does these two values do is that if this is true and this is not true, meaning that if it is not a numeric value, if there is no numeric value in the array, and there are a value which is alphanumeric like this here, alphanumeric, then we can just append result arr dot append those values. So which values are those? The values are len. Then we have to append the length of those values. So I will just set the stri. Else if stri dot is numeric, if it's numeric, then just uh, arr dot append their integer form, int strs I. So I hope that now you have understood in a better way, like in this here we have just checked if it should be an alphanumeric value and it should not be a numeric value, and if it's so, then we can just append the length of those value in our array. And then we have checked else if it's not happening for any array in our array, it's nothing happening in this array. If it's false condition here, then move on to the second statement that says that else if stri is, if it's numeric, then just return this integer forms in our append those integer form in our array. So if I can just now if I just comment out here and tell it to you that what I will be getting in an array here is that I will be just getting the length of this, that is 5, and then 3, the length of this 3, then again 3, then 4, and then 0. So that's all we were getting here in an array. In the example number first, if we talk about, then I will just say that return max error. And now let's run it and check for an answer that what we have got. So see, it's been running successfully. You can run this code and check for an answer. If you are guys still facing any problem in understanding this question, please pop in the comment section what are your doubt, and I will try to sort it out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist. And see you next time.